To support the reimagined Potrero Yard, the P&C development team has proposed a number of improvements to enhance both the pedestrian and bicyclist experience. Proposed pedestrian enhancements are designed to create vibrant sidewalks through a mixture of concrete sidewalks and specialty paving. Upgraded curb ramps that meet the American Disability Act or ADA requirements, upgraded crossings, and carefully selected and placed outdoor furniture. Improved mobility is also supported by adding a Muni shelter at the existing stop on Bryant Street near 17th Street, minimizing perpendicular parking on Hampshire Street to support bicycle safety, removing parking on 17th Street to allow for wider and buffered bike lanes on 17th Street in both directions, and creating dedicated spaces for passenger pickup and drop-off for both the bus yard and housing development. To create an inviting environment and connection to Franklin Square, an activated 17th Street has been designed that includes 3 flexible spaces for mobile food courts or kiosks to operate, Class 4 bike lanes that are wider than the existing bike lanes and have new 2-foot concrete barriers, a new crosswalk with beacon lighting at Hampshire Street to support safe crossing, and new landscaping that integrates existing trees with new trees and plantings. The landscaping plan has a mix of trees, including an anticipated 8 existing Nichols willow leaf peppermint trees that are along 17th Street, 3 tree species identified as the community favorites during a community survey issued in spring 2023, including the golden medallion tree, strawberry tree, and the Princeton century ginkgo tree. Other trees that moderate water well or are pollinator species will be included, such as the Ray Hartman ceanothus tree, the Little Gem magnolia tree, and the jacaranda. In total, 48 trees are planned around the site on the street level. The landscape design also includes a number of shrubs, grasses, and perennials, in addition to the trees just presented. The planting palette will include a mix of California native, low water use, and pollinators. Examples include the dwarf variegated mock orange, mound San Bruno coffeeberry, Asian star jasmine, fortnight lily, daylily, western sword fern, red yucca, Munstead lavender, canyon prince limegrass, lomandra, and rhodochroma.